Hello everyone, in today's video I will be talking about the most advanced and futuristic vehicles. After learning about them, you will be amazed, so let's start today's video. The Icon. This is a board that BMW has redefined. Its 13.15 meters advanced design and environmentally friendly innovations make it unique. The board is equipped with hydrofoil that help lift it out of the water, increasing its speed. It runs on electricity and is powered by high voltage batteries. The interior is designed with luxury in mind, featuring plush seating, tables and sofas in a special cabin that are visually appealing. This boat is not only advanced in performance but also excels in comfort and style. Number 2. AC features ETH. This is an advanced mobile home that is fully electric and built with modern technology. Its roof is equipped with solar panels, allowing the vehicle to harness energy from the sun. Additionally, it features an air-to-water system that converts air to water, enabling it to operate for up to 7 days without external support. One of the reasons it's considered a futuristic vehicle is its design, which expands with the press of a button, increase the living space to up to 1400 square feet. It also comes with customization option, allowing you to design it according to your preference with different models and colors. All these features combine to create a comfortable and flexible vehicle now as a AC features ETH. Hybrid helicopter. This concept is a visionary design created by ISD Valencian student aimed at making helicopter travel more eco-friendly. Its goal is to reduce fuel consumption and noise pollution, promoting environmentally friendly travel. The design is not only functional but also attractive and futuristic, enhancing aerodynamic performance and flight efficiency. It incorporates advanced technology and innovative engineering principles to improve fuel efficiency and reduce emissions. Noise reduction measures are to include enhancing its visibility and comfort in urban areas and setting a new standard to the future. Triton AVA. This is an advanced helicopter built with modern technology. Its design and features make it efficient and reliable. Designed for high performance, it can be used for various purposes such as search and rescue missions. Surveillance and transportation. Key features include powerful engines, advanced flight control system and enhanced aerodynamic. The helicopter offers high speed and quickly movement, enabling mission to be completed swiftly and efficiently. Its modern and sleek design improves optional efficiency and comfort. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumb up too. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Hit the notification bell so you are always updated with all latest uploads. Share your thoughts in the comment below. We did love to hear from you. And if you interested in checking out more, here are some videos so might like. See you next time.